Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how you can use SQL with PySpark. As usual, I created a simple data frame. If you are not familiar with PySpark data frames, you can check out previous videos I made. In order to be able to query a table, I need first to create the table. I will use the method create or replace temp view. This method creates or replaces a local temporary view and is tied to the current Spark session. The create or replace temp view method takes a single argument, the name of the table, and it doesn't return a data frame. I will name this table people. As I said, this method does not return a data frame, so because of this you need to get the data frame by calling the SQL method from the Spark object. I will select all from people. Because this returns a new data frame, you can call the show or collect method. So now you can run any SQL query supported by PySpark here. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. If you want, you can become my Patreon and you will gain access to tutorial files and more.